call and this meeting. So let me start from the beginning. So basically, I have started my career back in '96 as an IT instructor, and then I have been teaching as a lecturer in University of Central Punjab and University of Management Technology. And later in 2007, I realized that IT is getting some boom in Pakistan, and the future would be very futuristic. So I formed my company with the name of Arhamsoft Private Limited. So I am CEO of Arhamsoft Private Limited, and we have 110 software engineers in-house. We are based in Lahore, and currently we are working in all of the domains, including blockchain, artificial intelligence, image processing, PHP, .NET, Android, iOS, digital marketing, SEO. Means we are covering almost every part of this, all the latest trends, whatever is coming on. And yeah, so with the time we have progressed, Alhamdulillah, and things are going very well. I would like to say that at the moment, as you know, that some people find a challenge in opportunity, some find an opportunity in the challenge. So at the moment, in my point of view, as we are facing a big challenge in terms of COVID and lockdowns and everything, this big challenge is also opening a big opportunity. So luckily, Pakistan got advanced in IT sector 5 years ahead of time. So this 3-4 months of lockdown has progressed in terms of 5 years in IT in Pakistan, in my point of view, because number of users, even kids sitting at home, starting using their laptops to attend the classes. They are interacting with teachers. The teachers who have never been used these equipments are using for education purpose. So this is a big change, and this big change is opening big opportunities. So not only in Pakistan but all over the world, as every business is struggling at the moment. They are finding some solutions somewhere cheaper, and Pakistan is providing very high quality and economic affordable services throughout the world. So in current circumstances, workflow towards Pakistan is tremendously increased, and it is opening other opportunities. So this is the best time to establish more software houses, more companies, to get more work for Pakistan and drive a huge amount of revenue in terms of incoming dollars to Pakistan. There is another challenge which our IT industry is facing at the moment, is the lack of technical resources, because our universities are not that much huge in number that it should be based on the comparison with the ratio of our population. So this is the time to establish on the government side, it is the time to establish more IT universities to produce more resources, more technical resources, good quality resources, so they can meet the requirement. At the moment, it is there is a great shortage of skilled manpower related to IT. So government has to focus on generating professionals and educating them, not only on the higher level but on the medium level as well. The FA graduates, FSC graduates can be converted into IT professionals if some focus has been given to them. The problem is, at the moment, our literacy rate addresses you can say that number of graduates are very less. However, the intermediates are more than that, and matriculates are even better than that. So every level can be converted into a respective field. For example, at the moment, our matriculates cannot access the IT sector due to the lack of the education. But with the little training, they could be a very good marketer, because everyone, even every kid, is familiar with social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and they are actively using that for different waste of time activities like gaming and chatting and other things. So we can convert this huge amount of very useful resources into digital marketing resources if some special some special attention given to these resources. So in that way, we can convert these resources in very useful revenue in terms of the dollars. Secondly, all the intermediate graduates that are not also participating in the IT sector, while they could be converted into the well literate IT personals if we give them some simple training of simple HTML and WordPress and very simple things which could be done by any person who has some IQ and is fluent in English, or they can spend some time. So on the government level, I would say this is there is a high need of putting some attention on these kind of ventures and to produce technical resources. As a software house at the moment, we are facing the same challenge, that we are having a hard time in finding the highly skilled professionals. So I would like to give the message to the newcomers and the youngsters who are very passionate to work in the IT sector, that there is a big opportunity at the moment in the field of IT sector they can capitalize on. So this was a little introduction about me and my company and some of my feedback. Any question is most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. There's a great participation. मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. It was not an easy thing to start where you started and where you are today. तो आप क्या समझते हैं, आपने एक चीज क्या अडॉप्ट की जिसकी वजह से आप अपनी कंपनी को सस्टेनेबल रख सके?
जी, मेरा हमेशा से ये कोशिश रही कि हर उस टेक्नोलॉजी को मैं अडॉप्ट करूं जो आने वाली है. फॉर एग्जांपल, when Microsoft has announced the certifications and Oracle has announced OCP certification back in 1999. So Government of Punjab has offered an incentive for free certifications, and they have conducted an exam to select the participants. So I got passionate by hearing that, and I was certified before the government has started the program. Then Microsoft has started certification, Microsoft Certified Solution Developer. So I have adopted that, and I was the third in Pakistan who got this certification well on time. And then I have educated a lot of people for that certification. Similarly, I have worked on the mobile technologies in 2000, when Nokia 3310 नोकिया 3310 जिस वक्त यूज़ होता था, और उस वक्त वेब का, मोबाइल के ऊपर वेब का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था. मैंने उस वक्त वायरलेस एप्लीकेशन प्रोटोकॉल पे काम किया. तो मेरी सक्सेस की सबसे बड़ी रीज़न जो मैं समझता हूँ अल्लाह का करम है और सारे लोगों की दुआएं हैं, और उसके साथ ये एक पैशन के हर आने वाली चीज़ को बिफोर टाइम अडॉप्ट किया जाए. इसी तरह ही जब ब्लॉकचेन स्टार्ट हुआ तो उसके ऊपर हमने तवज्जो दी, मैंने उसके रिसोर्सेज को प्रिपेयर किया, उसके ऊपर काम किया, और इस वक्त अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे पास बल्क में काम है इसका, ब्लॉकचेन का, और हम डिफरेंट ब्लॉकचेन के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे भी काम कर रहे हैं. तो दैट वाज द मेन फैक्टर. We always should be intuitive and futuristic. We need to see the latest technologies coming up. We need to adopt well on time before it gets obsoleted.